To estimate how many bags of cold tar mix to buy for a pothole repair, measure length, width, and depth, calculate the volume, check the bag coverage, and round up for waste. Start by measuring the longest length and the widest width of the pothole, then measure the deepest point and use the average depth if the bottom is uneven. Multiply length by width by depth to get cubic meters, and convert to the coverage unit on the bag if it uses square meters at a specified thickness by dividing your volume by the bag's stated thickness coverage converted to meters. For example, a bag that covers 1 square meter at 18 millimeters covers a volume of 0.00018 cubic meters, so divide your pothole volume by that number to get the number of bags required. Always round up to the next whole bag to allow for compaction, irregular edges, and spillage, and add an extra 10% for safety on larger jobs. If repairing multiple potholes, calculate each volume, then add them together before dividing by bag coverage to avoid underbuying. Store unused bags on a pallet under a tarp, and check product instructions for optimum temperature and compaction method to improve longevity. Common mistakes include measuring only length and width and forgetting depth, which leads to severe underestimates. So always include depth and use the average if bottom varies. Another issue is using the bag's square meter coverage without converting the stated thickness to volume, which will give a wrong quantity, so convert thickness in millimeters to meters and multiply before dividing. A third frequent problem is not accounting for compaction and waste, which can leave you short on material. Plan for at least 10% extra and round up to whole bags to avoid a second trip. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare product guidance and connect with local contractors for jobs of all sizes. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world tips and contractors can find new leads.